Today we are looking at this 12 by 14 gazebo. This is such a nice addition to our backyard. It provides us with significant shade and protection from the rain. It is built nice, so then that way it's going to be sturdy in the weather conditions, whether the hot sun, the snow, or the rain. It is up to you. It comes with an outing that is for keeping the sun out, the rain out, all of that. It's a nice protection, waterproof, and then there's also a netting. So then that way, if you want to enclose all the net, then you can keep the bugs out. There's even an additional piece that comes for the top that keeps the bugs out from the top, but also lets the air in from the top, and that just provides extra comfort for you and the people underneath. And that way you can have a place for your table for eating outside. You can put couches, outdoor couches and stuff like that, making a nice little party scene, whatever you want to do. This one is going to work. It's going to hold up strong and be the right shade that you need. Here you can see that you are able to just put up the netting and zip that closed, so then that way you have the breeze still, but you're protected from any of the bugs getting in. You can zip that or do that on all four sides. Each side has its own zipper, so you can make a doorway on both sides. You can use the outer shell as well, which is going to protect from the wind and especially the sun. That can be closed with a net or just by itself. Again, there is 4 zippers on each wall. So you can close up all the sides and then choose which side you want to use as your doorway. At the bottom of the poles, there's holes, so you're able to secure it into your deck or into the cement. And the netting also velcros around the pole, so then that way it doesn't blow crazy all over the place.